If you've ever spent time shooting an AR pistol or been on the range, particularly an indoor range, when somebody else is shooting an AR pistol, you know how loud they are. I think we even mentioned that in our initial review of the BG Defense 223/556 pistol, and I'll put the link up here or up there. It'll be one of those places to that original review, and it's because of the muzzle device blasting the already loud blast out to the side on this. And we're going to try something a little different today. We're going to try we're going to show how much the blast actually comes out to the side on this. Then we're going to put a blast director on this and see how it shoots with that. So welcome to Riders Range, and let's hope we don't get too wet doing this. Oh, by the way, a couple other enhancements I made on this gun since it was already somewhat of a gray finish. I've added the Magpul K2 Plus grip on it, which does have a it's tight, so it is fairly waterproof. But anyway, there is a compartment down here. There, oops, it comes right off. That is a watertight compartment. And I took off the SB Tactical SB M4 brace, added the SB A4 adjustable brace. Other than that, it's just as you saw it in the first video. We're going to try it here and hope we don't get too wet. We got a couple of water bottles set up. It'll be each side of the muzzle on this. Like I say, we'll see just how wet we're going to get with this. All right, here we go. Well, it knocked them over, but did not open them up. Okay, try a second shot here. Here we go. Boy, that thing's loud. All right, again, I was expecting to bust open a bottle, but these are pretty solid bottles and they didn't, but it did clearly knock them off. So we're going to put the SilencerCo ASR Blast Shield on. It's a quick detach, just like the suppressor would be on this particular muzzle device, and we'll see how much difference that makes. Right, we have the SilencerCo ASR Blast Shield or Blast Director firmly affixed to the front. Went on just a couple of quick twists of the device and then the locking ring, and we're going to try another one, same water bottle, same position. Here we go with the Blast Shield, and let's see where it goes. Didn't even move them. All right, that's the whole idea, and it did seem quieter back here. All right, BG Defense AR pistol with the SilencerCo Blast Shield on it, and it did seem quieter, and it didn't even budge those water bottles. That was with and without the SilencerCo Blast Director on it. We're going to try it now with a TacFire Linear Comp. Little different design, and it's not just a blast director, but it still has the same effect. Haven't shot it at all with this. We're going to give it a try here on Riders Range. First shot's TacFire Linear Compensator. Let us see how it works. Didn't even budge the water bottles. All right. Thanks for dropping by. And by the way, if you like these videos, we do appreciate a thumbs up. Comments on this video down below. Comments on anything else to info@ridersrange.com. If you haven't already done so, subscribe, click on notifications, check our website, www.ridersrange.com. Thanks for stopping by.